Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel once again. In today's video, I would like to show you the demo of our food delivery app I did together with my group members during our second year. I made a video of late about 7 months ago of an insane application I built with C++. That was my first year, which solves most of the mathematical calculation. So if you've not yet watched that video, I'll link it down in the description below so you can go ahead and check it out. So with that said, let's get into today's video. So this is basically the project. I would like to generate the APK and install it. So the command is /gradle assemble relate. And since we are building for Android, we need to change the directory to the Android folder and run that command. So now that our build is successful, we can then proceed to install the APK. So we move on to the Android folder, and within the Android folder, we move on to the app. Within the app, we move on to the build folder. Within the build folder, we move on to the output folder, into the APK folder, the release folder. Then we have our app release.apk. So this is the APK format. So I have my emulator here. I'll just drag the APK on the emulator and get it installed. So that's basically the installation on the emulator. So as you can see, there's the app icon. So this is basically the onboarding screen. That we have two buttons. The next button, get started. Then you move on to the home screen, the page which contains the delivery and the pickup that allow user to switch between the one that is comfortable. We have the search bar for searching the location and pulling out the food from that particular location. You can see when I search for Ghana, you can see different varieties of food within Ghana. You can choose between the pickup and delivery and it will sort it out. That's very interesting. It's really a lot of hard work. Do subscribe and like the video and share as well. As you can see, when I click on a particular food, it sends me to the detail page. I can choose to add different food to carts and remove from carts as well. You can see the view cart that brings out the modal, checkout modal, and see the loading. That's very interesting. I'll add a food to the Firebase. You can see your order at Gary and Beans has been placed for 13 cedi 50 pesos. That's basically it. See you in our next video. Until then, stay tuned.